Hey Queens, today I'm going to be sharing my top tips for taking stunning cross-dressing photos. We'll cover poses, lighting, angles, and even shooting on your phone. So whether you're new to cross-dressing or a seasoned pro, get ready to learn some insider secrets that will make your photos stand out from the crowd. First up, let's talk mindset. Before we dive into the technical stuff, it's important to remember that confidence is the ultimate accessory. The best photos are the ones where you own your look and feel comfortable in your own skin. It might take some time to find your posing groove, but practice makes perfect. So try different poses in front of the mirror until you find ones that you love. Remember, it's all about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Alright, now let's talk lighting. Natural light is your best friend when it comes to photography. Face towards a window or step outside during golden hour for that warm, flattering glow. Harsh overhead lighting can create unflattering shadows. So try to avoid that if possible. And remember, golden hour is the hour after sunrise or before sunset, when the sun is low on the horizon and the light is soft and diffused. This is the perfect time to take photos outdoors, and it'll give your skin a warm, healthy glow. Plus, the lower angle of the sun creates long, dramatic shadows, which can add depth and dimension to your photos. Try different poses and angles to see what works best for you and your space. For example, leaning against a wall or window frame can create a nice rim light around your face. Speaking of golden hour, let's talk about how to make the most of it. As I mentioned earlier, golden hour is the best time to shoot outdoors because of the soft, warm light. To make your skin glow, try these tips. First, shoot towards the sun to get that golden glow. Second, use a reflector to bounce light onto your face if you're not in direct sunlight. A white foam board or even a piece of paper can work as a reflector. And third, don't be afraid to experiment with silhouettes. Placing yourself between the camera and the sun can create a cool silhouette effect. So try it out and see what you think. Now let's talk angles. Every face has a good side and a not so good side, so find yours and work with it. If you're not sure which side is your best side, ask a friend or family member to help you figure it out. Once you know your best side, turn your head slightly away from the camera and look over your shoulder for a more flattering angle. Shooting slightly above eye level can also make your face appear slimmer and open up your eyes. So try that angle too. Remember, these angles may seem like small details, but they can make a huge difference in your photos. Next up, let's talk poses. Posing doesn't have to be complicated. Here are a few tips to get you started. When standing, shift your weight to one leg and keep your shoulders relaxed and down. For a more feminine silhouette, angle your hips slightly to one side. You can also try putting one hand on your hip and the other resting on your stomach or chest. For seated shots, cross your legs at the knee or ankle and keep your posture tall. You can also try leaning back on the couch or bed with a pillow behind you for a more relaxed look. Remember, good posing is all about balance and relaxation. So take your time and experiment with different poses until you find ones that you love. Now, let's talk about using props and how to position your hands. Your hands can either make or break a photo. So here are a few tips to make sure they're always in the right place. Holding a prop like a hat, bag, or coffee cup can help your hands look less awkward. Touching your hair or placing one hand on your hip can also add a touch of elegance to your poses. If you're going for a more casual look, try putting your hands in your pockets or holding them behind your back. Just make sure they're relaxed and not clenched. Avoid crossing your arms as it can make you look closed off and unapproachable. Instead, keep your elbows slightly bent and your forearms parallel to the camera. And remember, your hands should complement your pose, not distract from it. So use them wisely and get creative. Let's be real. Sometimes we need to snap a quick pic on our phones, and there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, I've got some tips to make your selfie game even better. First up, forget about the front camera and use the back camera instead. Trust me, the quality is way better. To get the perfect shot, use a selfie stick or tripod to step back and capture your whole body. And to avoid blurry pics, use a Bluetooth shutter remote. With these simple tricks, you'll be snapping flawless selfies in no time. Now, let's talk about wrapping up your look with the perfect outfit. When choosing an outfit for your photo shoot, remember to pick something that you feel confident and comfortable in. Solid colors and vertical stripes can elongate your silhouette. Experiment with different fabrics and textures to add visual interest to your photos. Don't be afraid to play with color and patterns either. And most importantly, accessorize. A bold lip, statement earrings, or a stylish handbag can really elevate your look. Remember, your outfit should reflect your personal style and make you feel like the star that you are. So there you have it, my queens. Some easy tips to help you take stunning cross-dressing photos that show off your unique style and confidence. Remember to experiment with different looks, poses, and angles to find what works best for you. And don't be afraid to break the rules and add your own personal touch to your style. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the process. Cross-dressing is a form of self-expression and it should be a celebration of your individuality. So put on your favorite outfit, strike a pose and let your inner queen shine through. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more transgender and cross-dressing tips and tutorials. And if you're feeling extra generous, why not share this video with your friends who might also want to learn how to take stunning cross-dressing photos? Until next time, happy snapping, my queens.